Welcome back, content creators and AI innovators. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of content creation. Whether you're a writer, marketer, designer, or anyone who crafts content, you're about to discover how AI can become your most powerful creative partner. Imagine having a creative assistant that never sleeps, never runs out of ideas, and works at the speed of your imagination. Let's unlock the future of creative work together and see how AI is reshaping every aspect of content production. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool for automation, it's evolving into a true collaborator in the creative process. From writing compelling articles to generating stunning visuals, AI is transforming how we create, distribute, and optimize content across every medium. Think of AI as your 24/7 creative assistant, always ready to help brainstorm, draft, and refine your ideas. This shift means more than just efficiency. It's about unlocking new levels of creativity and productivity that were previously unimaginable. Let's explore the vast landscape of AI-powered content creation. AI can generate text for articles, blog posts, social media captions, and even scripts or stories. It's also revolutionizing visual content, producing images, illustrations, infographics, and enhancing photos. In audio and video, AI composes music, creates voiceovers, edits videos, and animates graphics. On the strategic side, AI helps with content planning, SEO optimization, performance analysis, and large-scale personalization. The big shift is clear. AI is moving from being a replacement to becoming a collaborator, enhancing human creativity rather than replacing it. AI writing assistants are changing the game for content creators. They can help you draft long-form blog posts, craft engaging social media captions, and write persuasive marketing emails. For example, you can prompt an AI to write a 1000 word blog post targeting HR professionals, or generate catchy Instagram captions for a coffee shop's new drink. AI can also optimize your content for SEO, ensuring your articles rank higher and reach the right audience. The possibilities for text generation are nearly endless, making content creation faster and more effective. Social media thrives on fresh, engaging content, and AI is here to help. With the right prompts, AI can generate multiple versions of captions, suggest relevant hashtags, and even tailor content to specific audiences. For instance, you can ask AI to create Instagram captions for a new product launch, targeting millennials who love artisanal goods. This not only saves time but ensures your social media presence remains vibrant and relevant, helping you connect with your audience in new and creative ways. Email marketing remains a powerful tool, and AI can make it even more effective. By generating personalized email sequences, AI helps you nurture leads and engage customers. For example, you can prompt AI to write a welcome email, a feature highlight, and a success story with an upgrade offer, all tailored to your audience. The language is persuasive, but never pushy, ensuring your emails resonate and drive action. With AI, you can scale your email campaigns while maintaining a personal touch. Search engine optimization is crucial for content visibility, and AI can streamline the process. By analyzing keywords, structuring headers, and suggesting internal links, AI ensures your content is optimized for search engines. You can prompt AI to create meta descriptions, SEO title tags, and even recommend latent semantic indexing keywords. This means your content not only reaches more people but also ranks higher, driving organic traffic and boosting your online presence. One of AI's most powerful features is its ability to repurpose content across multiple formats. For example, a single blog post can be transformed into Twitter threads, LinkedIn articles, YouTube scripts, and Instagram slides, all while maintaining the core message. This maximizes your content's reach and impact, ensuring your ideas resonate across platforms. AI makes it simple to adapt your content for different audiences and channels, saving you time and amplifying your message. AI isn't just for text, it's revolutionizing visual content too. With the right prompts, AI can generate professional photographs, illustrations, infographics, and even logos. For instance, you can ask AI to create a photo of a diverse team in a modern office, or design a logo for an organic grocery service. AI tools can also enhance product photos, making them more vibrant and appealing for e-commerce. The result is high-quality visuals that elevate your brand and engage your audience. Building a strong brand identity is essential, and AI can help you design logos and visual assets that reflect your brand's values. For example, you can prompt AI to create a logo for an organic grocery delivery service using specific colors and motifs. AI ensures your brand visuals are modern, clean, and scalable, making it easier to maintain a consistent look across all platforms. This empowers even small teams to achieve professional branding without the need for extensive design resources. AI can quickly generate eye-catching graphics for your social media campaigns. Whether you need a post promoting a webinar or a visually engaging infographic, AI tools can handle it. You can specify color schemes, typography, and even leave space for text overlays. This allows you to maintain a modern, professional aesthetic across your social channels, helping your brand stand out and attract more engagement from your audience. Infographics are a powerful way to communicate complex information, and AI makes creating them easier than ever. You can prompt AI to design infographics that show the evolution of artificial intelligence, complete with timelines, milestones, and future predictions. AI ensures a consistent color scheme and clear visual hierarchy, making your data easy to understand and visually appealing. This helps you share insights and tell compelling stories through data. AI-powered photo enhancement tools can take your images to the next level. They can improve lighting, remove background distractions, sharpen details, and adjust colors for maximum vibrancy. This is especially useful for e-commerce, where high-quality product photos can make a big difference in sales. With AI, you can quickly optimize your visuals for any platform, ensuring your content always looks its best. AI isn't just about creation, it's also a strategic powerhouse. It can analyze dozens of blog topics and group them into content clusters, helping you build a pillar content strategy. AI can also personalize email templates based on customer data, translate campaigns into multiple languages, and generate A/B test variations for landing pages. By identifying content gaps and suggesting new topics, AI positions your brand as a thought leader and keeps your strategy ahead of the curve. Content clustering is a powerful SEO strategy, and AI can automate the process. By analyzing your blog topics, AI groups them into main pillars and supporting subtopics, then suggests an interlinking structure. This not only improves your site's SEO, but also makes it easier for readers to navigate related content. With AI, you can build a robust content ecosystem that drives traffic and authority in your niche. AI enables true personalization at scale, allowing you to tailor content for each individual customer. By using dynamic fields like name, purchase history, and location, AI creates email templates that feel genuinely personal. This level of customization increases engagement and conversion rates, helping your brand build stronger relationships with its audience. AI makes it possible to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time, every time. Expanding into new markets is easier with AI-powered translation tools. AI can translate your marketing campaigns into multiple languages, taking into account cultural nuances and local idioms. This ensures your brand voice remains consistent and authentic across regions. With AI, you can reach a global audience without losing the essence of your message, making international growth more accessible than ever. A/B testing is essential for optimizing your content, and AI can generate multiple headline and call-to-action variations in seconds. AI explains the psychological principles behind each version, helping you understand what resonates with your audience. By testing different approaches, you can refine your messaging and maximize conversions, all while learning more about your customers' preferences. Staying ahead of the competition means identifying gaps in your content strategy. AI can analyze your top competitors' content, pinpoint what's missing in your own, and suggest new topic ideas to position you as a thought leader. This proactive approach ensures your content remains relevant, authoritative, and valuable to your audience, helping you stand out in a crowded digital landscape. As AI becomes more integrated into content creation, ethical considerations are crucial. Always disclose when content is AI-assisted and maintain editorial oversight. Don't misrepresent AI-generated work as purely human, and follow platform-specific policies. Quality control is essential. Review AI-generated articles for accuracy, tone, and brand alignment. Use AI for inspiration, not duplication, and always fact-check statistics. Respect copyright, intellectual property, and industry regulations to ensure your content is both effective and ethical. Transparency is key when using AI in content creation. Always disclose when content is AI-assisted, and ensure there's human review before publishing. This builds trust with your audience and maintains your brand's credibility. Following platform-specific AI content policies is also important to avoid any compliance issues. By being open about your use of AI, you foster a more authentic relationship with your readers and viewers. Maintaining high standards is essential when using AI-generated content. Always review for factual accuracy, tone consistency, brand voice alignment, logical flow, and grammar. If any section feels off-brand or contains errors, flag it for human refinement. This ensures your content remains trustworthy and effective, blending the best of AI efficiency with human judgment. AI should be used as a source of inspiration, not duplication. Always add your unique insights and personal experiences to AI-generated content. Combine multiple outputs creatively, and fact-check all statistical claims. This approach ensures your content remains original, valuable, and free from plagiarism, helping you build a reputation for authenticity and thought leadership. Ensuring your content matches your brand's tone, style, and personality is vital. AI can analyze your brand voice guide and adjust content accordingly. If any section feels off-brand, refine it to maintain consistency. This helps your audience recognize and connect with your brand, no matter where they encounter your content. When using AI for content creation, it's important to respect copyright and intellectual property laws. Understand the terms of service for each AI tool, and be cautious with likenesses and trademarks. Some industries have specific regulations, so always stay informed and compliant. This protects your brand and ensures your content is both innovative and responsible. A successful AI content workflow starts with planning. Use AI to create a 4-week content calendar, including weekly themes, daily content types, and platform distribution. Align your content with industry events and holidays for maximum relevance. This structured approach ensures you always have fresh, timely content ready to go, keeping your audience engaged and your brand top of mind. Once you have your plan, AI can help you create and optimize content, improve readability, optimize for keywords, add engaging hooks, and include data or examples. Strengthen your calls to action while maintaining your core message and expert perspective. This phase ensures your content is not only well-crafted but also effective in achieving your goals. AI can help you develop a multi-platform distribution plan for your content. This includes creating social media snippets, email newsletter mentions, LinkedIn article series, podcast talking points, and webinar integration. By maximizing your content's reach without being repetitive, you ensure your message is seen by the widest possible audience, driving more engagement and results. Analyzing your content's performance is key to continuous improvement. AI can identify your top-performing topics, optimal posting times, most engaged audience segments, and preferred content formats. With these insights, you can refine your strategy and focus on what works best, ensuring your content remains effective and impactful. There's a wide range of AI tools available for every aspect of content creation. For writing and SEO, try ChatGPT, Jasper, Surfer SEO, and Grammarly. For visual content, explore Midjourney, Canva AI, and Adobe Firefly. Video and audio creators can use Descript, Synthesia, and AI VA. Workflow management is made easier with Notion AI and MarketMuse. Choosing the right tools for your needs can supercharge your creative process and streamline your workflow. Looking ahead, AI will enable hyper-personalization, seamless multimodal content, real-time optimization, and interactive experiences. Skills like prompt engineering, creative direction, and quality assurance will become even more valuable. AI offers opportunities to scale production, test new ideas, and personalize content like never before. However, challenges remain, such as maintaining authenticity and balancing automation with creative control. The future belongs to those who can harness AI's power while preserving the human touch. Ready to dive in? Start with beginner projects like brainstorming content ideas, generating social media captions, and creating blog outlines. As you gain confidence, develop AI-assisted writing workflows, create brand-specific prompt templates, and implement quality control processes. Advanced users can build enterprise strategies, custom models, and integrated ecosystems. No matter your level, there's a path to harnessing AI for creative success. AI in content creation isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about augmenting it. The most successful creators will be those who master the art of collaborating with AI, leveraging its strengths, while bringing their unique human perspective, judgment, and creativity to the process. The future of content creation is a partnership, human plus AI, working together to create more engaging and effective content than ever before.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.